Good morning, children. In the last class, we have learned addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping and without regrouping. In today's class, we are going to learn about addition story problems. Let's start with the example. The first question is, Sunil traveled 1340 kilometers in January, 1850 kilometers in February, and 1960 kilometers in March. Now, how many kilometers did he travel in all the 3 months? We have to find out. So, he traveled 1340 kilometers in January, 1850 kilometers in February, and 1960 kilometers in March. Now, we have to do the total of all these 3 months, how many kilometers he has traveled. And before that, we have to form the sentence correctly and write. Because for forming the sentences also, you have a marks in the exams. Yes. So how we will write? First is kilometer traveled in January. How many kilometers he has traveled in January is equal to 1340. Next, kilometer traveled in February, 1850 kilometers. Write the numbers in the place value chart properly. Kilometer traveled in March, 1960. Now we will add the numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. Again 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 carry over and 5 you are going to write here down. Then 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. Carry over 2 and 1 you are going to write here. Then 2 plus this carry over 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 5150 kilometers. So he traveled total 5150 kilometers in all the 3 months. So how we are going to form the sentence here now? Sunil traveled 5150 kilometers in all the 3 months. The statement you should write. Okay. For the story problems, you need to write the final statement also. Now let's solve the examples. These sums, children, you are going to solve in your notebook by using the pen. When you write in the textbook, please do write with a pencil, and when you write in the notebook, write with the pen. Let's solve A1 now. Solve the story problems in your notebook. A1 is Meena traveled 1349 kilometers and Anand traveled 1132 kilometers. Now how many kilometers did they travel in? All we need to find. So what we'll do, we'll write the question in the notebook first, then we'll solve. Then we'll add the numbers and find out the answer. Now I have written the question in the notebook. We'll solve the sum. Solution is, form the sentence properly and write the question first. Meena traveled 1349 kilometers. So how we will form a sentence here? The distance traveled by Meena. The distance traveled by Meena is equal to, how many kilometers she has traveled? 1349. 1349. Then the distance traveled by Anand is equal to 1132. Add the sum, add the numbers now. 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 is carry over. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. Give a comma, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the total answer is 2481. Now how we are going to write the statement of this answer now? The total distance traveled by Meena and Anand is 2481 kilometers. Like this you are going to write the statement of the answer. Okay. Now the B, C and D1 you are going to solve in your notebook and you are going to send me. See the next question. Quick drill. Mr. Zarir collected fruits from his orchard to send to the wholesale market in Mumbai. Read the data given below. Solve in your notebook to find the answer to each question. Here Mr. Zarir collected fruits from one orchard. He has collected apples, pineapples, mango, peach and pear. And we have to read the data, this data, and solve the answers. Solve the sums for these questions. See, he has collected 2324 apple. He has collected 1486 pineapples, 5938 mangoes and 6521 peach and 1230 pear. So what we'll do? We'll read the questions. Now we know the data. We'll read the questions. We'll write in the notebook and find out the answer. See, a question is, how many apples and pineapples did he collect in all? How many apples and pineapples they have asked. Now we have to find out how many total apples and total pineapples he has collected in total. So that we have to add apple and pineapples, so that we'll get the answer of how many apples and pineapples he has collected in all. So he has collected apples 2324 and pineapples 1486. Let's write the question in the notebook, then solve the sum. I have written the question here, children. You need to write this question first, then write the data, then start writing these questions, okay? How many apples and pineapples did he collect in all? Write the solution. Write first. Apples collected by Zarir is equal to, how many apples he has collected? 2324. Right here, 2324. Then pineapples collected by Zarir is equal to, how many pineapples he has collected? 1486. Let's add the numbers now. Give a plus sign here, then start adding the numbers. 4 plus 6 is 10, 1 carry over and 0 here. 8 plus 2 is also 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3810 apples and pineapples he has collected in total. So write the statement here. 3810 apples and pineapples he has collected in all, in total. Okay. This is the statement of the answer. Now the next one is B. B1 is, how many mangoes and pears did he collect in all? Write the question. How many mangoes and pears did he collect in all? Write the solution. Form the sentences. Mangoes collected by Zarir is equal to, how many mangoes he has collected? 5938. Write this. 5938. Then pears collected by Zarir is equal to 1230. Right here 1230. Add the numbers. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. 9 plus 2 is 11. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So he has collected 7168 mangoes and pears in all, in total. Write the statement now. 7168 mangoes and pears he has collected in total. This is the statement. Now C1 and D1 you are going to solve and you are going to send me. Now we'll learn about addition framing word problems. How to frame the word problems of addition. Children, in forming or the framing word problems, they will give the numbers only to numbers to add, and they will ask you to frame the sentence. For that, using both the numbers you need to frame the sentences of addition, and then you need to solve like the story problems only. Let's see the example here. First one is frame a simple word problem for 3420 plus 2318 and then solve it. They have given the numbers here to frame the sentence. Let's frame a simple word problems first. First we'll frame a word problem, then we'll solve it. See, the problem is using these two numbers. They have formed one addition story sum here. The problem is the cost of 2 school bags is 3420. The cost of 2 school bags is 3420 and the cost of 1 dozen storybooks is 2318. What is the total cost? This is the simple word problem. They have used 3420 and 2380 and they have formed a simple story problem of addition. The cost of 2 school bags and the cost of 1 dozen storybooks they have written, and they have asked to find what is the total cost. So after framing the word problem, we need to solve the sum also, and the solution is the cost of 2 school bag is equal to 3420 and the cost of 1 dozen storybooks is 2380, and if you add both the numbers you will get the answer 5738. And after getting this answer, after adding the numbers, then also you need to give the statement of the answer. Therefore the total cost is 5738. Okay, and remember children, total, altogether, in all and together, we can use these words in framing addition story problems. Now we'll see the exercise. Frame a simple addition word problems for the following and then solve it. They have given the A1 2015 plus 1204. By using these two numbers, we have to form the simple story problem. Okay, let's write the story problem with a pencil only in the textbook. Let's frame a word problem now. First write for the 2015. So I'm going to take here, I'm going to write path traveled 2015 kilometer and Yash traveled 1204 kilometer. This is the question. And how many, what we need to find now? How many kilometers did they travel in all? I have used here in all. In all comes in the addition story problems. Okay. After writing this, we'll find the solution now. Write the solution. The distance traveled by path is equal to 2015, and the distance traveled by Yash is equal to 1204. Add the numbers and get the answer. 5 plus 4 is 9, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So in total they have traveled 3219. Write the statement. Parth and Yash traveled 3290 kilometers in all. This is the statement. You will get the statement in the question itself. And you are going to solve these sums in your notebook. The place is not enough to write the answer. So please solve these sums in the notebook only. Now B1, C1 and the D1 sum, you will frame the simple word problems of addition and you will solve the sums. You will solve and you will send me. Okay. Thank you.